welcome back to my channel. It's been so long. I think it's been like 2 months since my last video on YouTube. Even though I've made a couple of them, I just never posted them, or actually never even edited them. But hopefully I'll stop being lazy. I've just been so lazy. Like sometimes, you know, it's just the laziness gets over you and you just don't do shit. But hopefully I'm starting all over again and hopefully I get back on track. But I went on vacation last week, well, a couple days ago actually. Just came back. So I'm gonna put a vlog out on how my trip went and everything, so stay tuned for that. But in the meanwhile, while I was on vacation, I received a couple of boxes that, you know, stuff of order. I got a Supreme unboxing and then I think 2 sneaker unboxings. I will be doing one in this video, and then I'm gonna actually do the other 2 today probably, and then just post them, you know, today, tomorrow, and then the next day. But let's start off with this box. I'm not sure what this one is. I know I got 2 pair of sneakers and I have both boxes, but I just don't know which sneakers are in here. So let's go ahead and see which ones we got. Oh, this is a cool box. Look at that. Oh, these are the Siempre Familia Dunk Lows. They did this for Dia de los Muertos, I think, to celebrate Mexican culture. Look at this. Look at this box. Like, wow, it's so pretty. Wow. Siempre. Familia. I love how they did everything, like each side of the box differently. Like, it's so creative. I really love this box. It's a very pretty box. Let's get to the good stuff. Oh, I always feel like that when I open stuff. Sorry guys, my eyes hurt. I had a long day. I went to see Batman today and it was long, but it was good. It was good. Like, I don't know what I was expecting, but what I saw was good. So I'm not gonna say too much because it just came out yesterday, yesterday was Friday, today's Saturday. Probably be posting this tomorrow morning, which is Sunday. So I'm just gonna let everybody go watch it, but you should watch it. It's worth it. It's good. Back to the sneaker. So look at this. Wow. At first I didn't think I was gonna really like it because there's so much going on, but like these colors, like they just blend in well. Like, I love how this is like a snake print. I'm not sure. It looks like it. Even like the feel of it, very nice. Like even all the different textures of and prints, they look good together. Loving this. I love how everything feels. I love what they did on the bottom, which is the clear sole. It's so pretty. Like, look at that. Very pretty. And then I love this little what's it, like alligator? I don't know. Yeah, I mean, it looks like a little alligator, crocodile. I don't know. Look at my little teeth right there. I like how they put this little stone as the eye. Very cute. Like the white laces, blue tongue. This right here, the little Nike tag. It is like a clear with the red orange, I would say. Red orange, yeah, definitely red orange. And the inside is the same color. Very cool. Blue. It's a very nice shoe. Like, overall, like the shoe is just, it was just made perfectly. Like the colors and everything. Really like the shoe. So talk to me. Who was able to cop a pair? Who wasn't? Who wanted to? Who went for it but didn't get it? And then who's got them and enjoying them like I am, because these are so cute. Like, I can't wait to wear them. I love low dunks, so it's been one of my like to go shoes now. Like, they're just so comfortable. You can wear them with anything. It's like, it's a perfect summer, even winter, spring, fall shoe. Like, you can just wear this with anything. It all depends on the colors as well, but who cares? Like, look at me moving my hand all over the place. Yeah, I hurt my thumb. It's another long story. But yeah, very cute. I love the shoe. I'm not anyway, how you say, damn, I forgot the word. Like, satisfied, non-satisfied, you know what I mean. But I was not let down, disappointed. I was not. I really like the shoe. From the box to the shoe, it was all a good 9, you know. I love it. But let me know in the comments what you think. Do you like this shoe? Do you hate it? What do you like? What you don't? Did you buy it? Let me know in the comments. You know, I like to talk to everyone and share your opinions with me. I love all that. So I'm going to do another unboxing right now, but it's going to be a different video. But for this video, that's all, and I'll see everyone in my next video. So don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos soon. Hopefully, I don't want to be lazy anymore. But I'll see everyone. Bye!